Today, I'd like to introduce you to HealthFlow. HealthFlow was created to solve a challenge we see across the nutrition industry every day. Consumers want personalized solutions. Brands want better engagement and outcomes, and practitioners need scalable ways to support patients. HealthFlow connects all three. It's a platform designed to help brands deliver personalized recommendations, expand access to medical foods, increase patient engagement, and generate meaningful real-world evidence, all through a single connected ecosystem. Before we talk about the platform, let's level set on what medical foods actually are. Most people understand supplements. Most people understand prescription drugs. Medical foods sit right in the middle. They're not drugs. They're not dietary supplements. They're specially formulated products intended for the dietary management of specific medical conditions and used under medical supervision. What makes this exciting is that medical foods are one of the fastest-growing categories in nutrition. The challenge? Historically, they've been difficult to scale because they require patient evaluation and practitioner involvement. That's exactly where HealthFlow comes in. Consumers today don't want generic recommendations anymore. They expect personalization. At the same time, brands are looking for ways to differentiate themselves, increase retention, and better understand how products are performing in the real world. And medical foods represent a tremendous opportunity because they provide a higher level of clinical relevance and differentiation. The market opportunity exists. The challenge is building the infrastructure to support it. Everybody in the ecosystem has a problem. Patients are overwhelmed with choices. Practitioners don't have time to personally manage every recommendation. And brands often lose visibility the moment the product leaves the warehouse. What happens next? Did the customer take it? Did it work? Did they stay engaged? Most brands never know. HealthFlow was designed to solve all three challenges simultaneously. This is where things get interesting. Patients can enter HealthFlow through multiple pathways. A practitioner can invite them from the office. They can discover a product directly through a website or landing page. Or they can come through social media campaigns and digital marketing. Different entry points. Same experience. Everything flows into one recommendation engine, one patient portal, and one analytics platform. This is the heart of HealthFlow. Every patient begins with an assessment. The platform evaluates symptoms, goals, eligibility criteria, and pathway logic. Then something important happens. Most recommendations are automatically approved through validated pathways. That's a key differentiator. Practitioners are not reviewing every single patient. They're reviewing exceptions. That means the system remains scalable while still maintaining clinical oversight when needed. This is one of the biggest opportunities for brands. HealthFlow helps bridge the gap between e-commerce and clinical oversight. A consumer can complete an assessment online. The platform evaluates eligibility. Validated pathways handle most recommendations automatically, and practitioner support is available when required. The result is a scalable system that helps brands responsibly expand access to medical foods nationwide. When practitioner involvement is required, HealthFlow can leverage a nationwide practitioner network. But here's the important part. The practitioner network isn't the product, it's the safety net. The automation does the heavy lifting. Practitioners focus on clinical exceptions and edge cases that creates a model that's both scalable and clinically responsible. Most brands focus on getting the sale. We focus on what happens after the sale, because that's where long-term value is created. Patients gain access to a portal where they can receive recommendations, follow care pathways, complete follow-up surveys, access educational content, and track progress. Automated reminders and check-ins help maintain engagement, and ongoing support helps improve adherence and outcomes. This may be the most important slide in the entire presentation. Every interaction generates data, not just sales data, meaningful outcome data. HealthFlow incorporates validated surveys throughout the patient journey. Brands gain visibility into symptoms, adherence, engagement, satisfaction, and outcomes over time. Instead of asking, "Did we sell a product?" you can start asking, "Did we improve a patient's experience?" That's a completely different conversation. Now imagine having all of that information in one place: campaign performance, recommendation rates, product engagement, adherence, survey completion, and patient outcomes. HealthFlow transforms patient interactions into actionable business intelligence, That means better decisions, better products, better marketing, and ultimately, better growth. This is another important differentiator. HealthFlow is designed to work with what you already have. If you have an existing e-commerce platform, we can integrate. If you have fulfillment partners, we can integrate. If you have practitioner programs, we can integrate. And if you're starting from scratch, we can provide a complete solution. The goal is simple: enhance your ecosystem, not replace it. One of the biggest concerns for any brand is how to scale personalized recommendations and medical food programs while maintaining compliance. HealthFlow was designed with that challenge in mind from day one. The platform combines HIPAA-aligned patient management, structured consent workflows, practitioner oversight when required, secure audit trails, and validated recommendation pathways into a single, scalable ecosystem. What makes this powerful is that compliance doesn't come at the expense of growth. Validated pathways automate the majority of recommendations, allowing practitioners to focus on exceptions and cases that truly require their expertise. The result is a model that helps brands expand access, improve patient engagement, generate meaningful outcomes data, and scale with confidence. Because in today's environment, success isn't just about growing faster, it's about growing responsibly, and HealthFlow is built to deliver both compliance and scalability. HealthFlow is the technology, but MarketWell can provide much more. Depending on your needs, we can support product strategy, commercialization, practitioner enablement, manufacturing relationships, fulfillment solutions, and launch planning. Some partners need software, and others need an entire growth platform. We can support both. As we wrap up, I'd like to leave you with one final thought. The future of nutrition isn't just about selling products. It's about delivering the right solution to the right person at the right time and understanding the impact that follows. That's what HealthFlow was built to do. We help brands expand access to personalized nutrition and medical foods through intelligent pathways, practitioner-supported workflows, and ongoing patient engagement. And every assessment, recommendation, and outcome creates valuable insight that helps brands learn, improve, and grow. For patients, that means better support. For practitioners, it means greater efficiency. For brands, it means measurable outcomes and real-world evidence. Whether you're expanding a supplement line, launching a medical food program, or building a personalized patient experience, HealthFlow provides the infrastructure to make it possible. We're helping brands move from products to outcomes, and that's where the future of nutrition begins. Thank you for your time. We'd love to explore how HealthFlow can support your growth strategy.